Hello, my name is James Outland. I'm a real estate broker in Pismo Beach, California. I just wanted to take a moment and share with you a great video about forbearance. I know a lot of people are having questions about the current real estate market and also the forbearance as far as if they have a GSE loan or a non-GSE. Definitely hope this is going to help answer some of the questions that you have, where you can go to get more support. You're always available to go ahead and reach out to me. I'll leave my contact information here at the end. And let's get this started. I'm going to share my screen. And
if you are experiencing difficulty making on-time mortgage payments due to the national coronavirus emergency, forbearance may be an option for you. Forbearance can help consumers get back on their feet during short-term financial difficulty. But there are a few things you need to know and some important decisions you'll need to make. Forbearance is when your mortgage servicer, that's the company that sends your mortgage statement and manages your loan, or lender, allows you to pause or reduce your payments for a limited period of time. Forbearance does not erase what you owe. You will have to repay any missed or reduced payments in the future. So if you are able to keep up with your payments, keep making them. The types of forbearance available vary by loan type. If your mortgage is backed by the federal government, this includes FHA, VA, USDA, Fannie Mae, and Freddie Mac loans. Provisions of the recently enacted CARES Act allow you to temporarily suspend payments if you are experiencing financial difficulty due to the impact of the coronavirus on your finances. Loan servicers may also have forbearance or deferment options for non-government backed or private loans, but the exact options available to you may differ. Here's how this works for federally backed mortgages under the CARES Act. If you are experiencing financial hardship due to the coronavirus pandemic, you have a right to request forbearance for up to 180 days. You also have the right to request an extension for up to an additional 180 days. But you must contact your loan servicer to request this forbearance. There won't be any additional fees, penalties, or interest added to your account, but your regular interest will still accrue. Other than telling your servicer that you have a pandemic-related financial hardship, you won't need to submit additional documentation to qualify for this forbearance. It's important to find out what options are available to you. The best place to find that information is from your loan servicer. Look for their contact info on your monthly mortgage statement. Right now, most financial institutions, including mortgage servicers, are experiencing high call volumes, so there may be long wait times to talk to someone on the phone. Regardless of the type of mortgage you have or how you communicate with your servicer, here are some things to consider. If you cannot make your mortgage payments and you are looking to suspend or reduce your payments, you will need to work with your servicer. If you decide to move forward with a forbearance plan, ask your servicer how you will be required to pay back the amount owed after the forbearance period. Will you owe the entire unpaid amount in a lump sum once the pause period has ended or at the end of the loan term? Can the loan term be extended so that missed payments are added to the end of your mortgage? Will your subsequent monthly payments be higher for a period of time to make up the deferred amount? Finally, be on the lookout for scams and scammers looking to take advantage of consumers affected by coronavirus. You might receive fraudulent calls, emails, text messages, or other offers to help you reduce or stop your mortgage payments. Make sure you are working directly with your mortgage servicer. For more in-depth information, including information on how to find a HUD-approved housing counselor, go to hud.gov/coronavirus.
thank you for taking your time to watch that HUD video. I think it's got a lot of good information for the GSEs. If you're a non-GSE loan, just make sure you contact your servicer. I do want to give you a little announcement here. Today is April 21st, 2020, and I saw across the ticker tape, there was 5.9% of the residential mortgages have asked for some kind of forbearance, as what I just saw in the news. They were only expecting about 1% for the full month of April, so they're going to be really, really, really busy. And I do have additional questions as far as the GSEs and the non-bank servicers, how they're going to handle the repayment process. Are they going to just say, okay, because you're going to still owe the money. The question is, are they going to make you pay your regular payment and then add it on top? And then how long are they going to let you do that to pay that amount back? I don't know. Or are they going to take what's owed and say, okay, we're going to just put that on the back and then go from there, or if they're going to do modifications. So this thing is constantly evolving. There's a lot of numbers going around. I have questions on how they're going to do a lot of payments. When you make a mortgage payment, it includes impounds, right? So it pays your taxes and your insurance. But if you're not making your payment, what's going to happen to those accounts as well? So a lot of questions out there. I'm working on trying to find more information. This is constantly updating. Speaking of updates, the California Association of Realtors has also updated a lot of real estate forms. So if you're going to be in a real estate transaction, just expect to see a lot of new forms regarding this whole COVID situation. If you have any questions for me, my name is James Outland. I'm a real estate broker with Outland and Associates, and a broker associate with Modern Broker. You can reach me at james@outlandinc.com. My cell, 805-748-2262. And then my Department of Real Estate number, if you'd like that, 013-14390. Have a good day.